Hello, so welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AE. If you're new here, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always returning back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to create this yellow glitter smoky eye, and if it is something that you're interested in watching how I achieve this look, then stay to the end, and please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and also share my video. So without much ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, I'm starting with my eye primer, and I'm going to apply this eye primer all over my lid. Then I went into my Jacqueline Hill's eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that particular shade right there in my crease region. I'm using it as my transition color, so I'm blending it back and front in a circular motion. So that is how you're supposed to blend in your eyeshadow. So I'm just going in with the color to intensify the color right in my crease region. So after I finished blending in the transition color, I went back into the Jacqueline Hill eyeshadow palette, and I used that black shade right there in my outer V O-line. So I'm just focusing it at the outer V O-line. I want that place to be black. And also, one thing about black is when working with black is that you have to be very careful. So you can see that I'm just taking it bit by bit and sweeping it into my crease region. I don't want the color to be deep around that area, so that is why I'm doing it like that. Okay, so after that, I went into my transition color bag and blend everything together so that they can look seamless. After that, I went in with this eyeshadow palette, that is Adventure USA eyeshadow palette, and I used that yellow shade right there on my eyelid. So I started applying this eyeshadow shimmer on my lid with this flat brush, and it wasn't doing the job for me, so I later went in with my hand, and I used my hand to apply that shimmer color on my lid, and it was doing the job perfectly. So after I finished applying the shimmer gold color on my lid, I went ahead to blend it with my brush and blend everything well. I just want everything to look seamlessly, and after that I went ahead to apply my yellow glitters on top of the shimmer color. So I did not use my glitter glue here. I use my setting spray as my glitter glue. So I spray the setting spray on my brush and use that same brush to apply the glitters on my eyelid, and everything look perfect. As you can see, these glitters stay in place all day. So if you're someone you don't have a glitter glue, you can use your setting spray as a glitter glue. So yeah. So after I finished applying the glitters on my lid, then I went in with my Mega Impact mascara from Kiss Beauty to volume up my lashes, my top lashes. Then I apply my eyelashes, or my false lashes. Yes, that is it. So you can check it out. So after I finished that, I went ahead to apply my vitamin C serum from Kiss Beauty, and I massage it well into my skin. Actually, I have a dry skin, so I need to hydrate my skin well before applying any form of makeup product on my face. So After that, I massage my skin well. I let the serum set well on my skin before going into my moisturizer. And my moisturizer for today is my day by day cream moisturizer. So that is what I applied on my face and also massage it well into my skin before I went in with my Bicham Ageless primer. So I applied this primer at my T-zone areas and also massage it into the skin. For my foundation today, I'm going to mix my Bicham Ageless foundation in the shade 407 with my Maybelline Superstay foundation. So I'm going to mix these two to get that perfect shade. Actually, guys, what I noticed is I couldn't get that shade that I wanted. Okay, so it was like the foundation was too light for my skin. This can happen to anyone, but when it happens, you shouldn't worry. Okay, so what I did here is to use a foundation that is a little bit darker than my skin to contour my forehead. And as you can see, the foundation that I used to contour, I use this foundation to contour and blend everything together to get that shade or that perfect shade I was looking for. So that is what I did here, and everything comes in place. So after that, I went ahead to blend in my contour with my beauty sponge. And when it comes to your forehead, blend into your hairline. And when it comes to your jawline, you make sure that you blend it up. The reason why I do not apply foundation under my eye is because I don't want to pack products around that area. That place is very sensitive and I don't want any creasing around that area.
Just step with every ornament we got. I'm stockings hung, you know we're flowing from the top. And I hear sleepers.
After I finish applying my contour or blending in my contour, I went ahead to apply this lipstick on my cheeks and also blend it well. After my blush, I went ahead to apply this Blossom concealer in the shade 01 at my outer corner of the eye, and went in with my Blossom concealer in the shade, the spotlight concealer in the shade Blossom, in my inner corner and blend everything well. Guys, when it comes to your under eye, you need to blend. We want to have that flawless under eye makeup, so you have to blend. We don't want any creasing. When your eye crease at this point and you apply your powder there, it's going to stay, so you have to blend it well so that there shouldn't be any creasing after you finish everything. After that, I went ahead to set under my eye with my setting powder or my loose powder, that is Sasha Buttercup, and I try to apply it gently. Don't drag it, just tap and blend. By doing that, you can have a flawless under eye.
I hear sleepers bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt. You walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was
After setting my under eye with my powder, I went ahead to use my contour palette, and I used that shade to contour my forehead, my cheek, and my jawline, and of course my nose as well.
I treat your step with every ornament we got. No stockings hung, you know we're flowing from the top. And I hear sleepers bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors. For Christmas, you're all I want. All I wanted was you.
After contouring my nose, I went ahead to use my blush and apply it on my cheek,
All I wanted
my
was
forehead, and on top of my nose, or the bridge of my nose. Yeah.
all I wanted was you. And I hear sleepers. All I wanted was you. Feel my heart melt.
So after I finished with my blush, I went ahead to use my powder, exact shade of my powder, to set the whole face. And this powder palette is from Who Is That Girl?
Is here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every
After finish setting the whole face with my powder, I went ahead to use my Kiss Beauty setting spray to set the whole face. And guys, you need to do this, okay? Doing this will help you melt all the powder look on your face. So yes, you need to set your face. So after that, I went ahead with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder again to bake under my eye, and also do reverse contour. And yeah.
all I wanted was you. All I wanted was you. All I wanted was you.
I went off camera to apply my lipstick, and after that I'm taking off the excess powder on my face.
For a while since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree just step with every ornament we got. No stockings hung, you know we're flowing from the top.
After taking the excess powder from my face, I went ahead to set my face for the last time by using my Kiss Beauty setting spray. And after that, I went in with my Mega Impact mascara to volume up my lower lashes. And after that, I went in with my highlighter, and this is all for this look. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and please, if it does, give it a thumbs up, and also like this video, comment down below what you think about this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and be part of this wonderful channel. And on this channel we do everything makeup. So yeah, without what I do, I'm out.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through